Hello kids. Let's trace capital letters using only two colors. But before this, please share, subscribe and like my channel, so let's start.
Pink color, blue color, A for ambulance, B for bus, C for car, D for dog, E for engine, F for fire truck, G for goat, H for horse, I for ice cream truck, J for juice, K for kite, L for lemon, M for monkey, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for sunflower, T for tiger, U for unicorn, V for van, W for whale, X for x-ray, Y for yacht, Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.